Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website. First, secure a domain name and web hosting, which typically costs around $5 to $10 per month. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup straightforward. Next, choose a theme that aligns with your brand. Finally, configure basic settings such as your site title and permalink structure for better search engine optimization. This foundational work sets the stage for your online presence. Now, let's populate your site with content. You'll create pages for static information, like an About Us section, and posts for dynamic blog entries. WordPress's intuitive block editor allows you to easily add text, images, and videos. Spend time customizing your chosen theme's appearance, including the header, footer, and navigation menus, to reflect your unique style. This step brings your website to life with meaningful content. To enhance your website's functionality, you'll use plugins. These small software additions can provide features like contact forms, security enhancements, or search engine optimization tools. There are tens of thousands available, many free. Always select plugins with good reviews and ensure they are compatible with your WordPress version. Proper configuration of these tools is crucial for them to work effectively and meet your site's specific requirements. Before launching, thoroughly review all content and test every feature to ensure everything works perfectly. Once live, ongoing maintenance is key. Implement robust security measures, such as a firewall and strong passwords, to protect your site. Regularly back up your entire website, perhaps weekly, to safeguard against data loss. Finally, keep WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated for optimal performance and security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.